Yo, check out my new high score on this game. Mobile video game ads. Why are they so gosh darn annoying? And why do they exist? Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, mobile ads. You might be playing a game, waiting in the airport, you know, a catch-up game, like by the developers on the App Store that make all those like really simple games that like a toddler could make, but for some reason they get like 50 million downloads, and those companies are probably swimming in cash right now, you know? Why do they happen? And why do, when we're just trying to have a good time and just press the screen a couple times, very little thinking, just relax and play a really simple mobile game, why do we get interrupted with these really dumb ads? So here's our example. Today I'm going to be using the game Flipper Dunk. By the way, go down in the description. This app link will be down there. I'm not sponsored with them yet, but we're working on it. I played one level, and we're already set with an ad. Now here's the funny thing about these ads. These ads really don't do that good of a job of making me want to download their game. Usually, for an example here, it's just, yep, that's what it was. Draw a climber. And you know these apps that you get for the ads are usually the most simple names ever, like Draw a Climber. Great naming skills, everyone. Good job. You know, these ads, though, they pop up whenever. Like, for example, I went to the Czech Republic. Oh, video, by the way, is coming out about that soon. Shout out my Czech Republic friends over there. I can't wait for you guys to come here in May. I'm talking to you, Dennis. I know you're watching this. Dennis is my Czech brother. I went to the Czech Republic on a foreign exchange program, and while we were waiting in the airport, we had like a 2-hour layover in Poland. Anyways, I'm just sitting there on my iPad playing some games, connected to the free airport Wi-Fi, you know, super speedy Wi-Fi connection, 30-second load speed on a YouTube video that's 2 minutes long. Really great connections. Anyways, sitting there playing. No. The game takes forever to load in, but as soon as I load in, oh, I am hit with a bunch of ads for these games. And it's like, so my YouTube videos I'm watching are taking 30 seconds to download and 30 seconds to like load completely, but these games are loading in without even trying. What the heck? There's no point. These ads, they just pop up. Like, I swear you could be off Wi-Fi and they'd still connect. You could be in the middle of the Pacific Ocean on a cruise. Wait, no, that'd still be Wi-Fi on a cruise. You could be on a raft. You could be getting eaten by sharks in the Pacific Ocean, and an ad would pop up and be like, by the way, you're dying. Here, download our game right now. I'm going to show you a trick to get around it because, you know, I don't want to pay the $1 to, like, actually buy an ad blocker. I have big brain on. We're just going to turn off Wi-Fi. Check it. Check this out. We're going to beat this game real quick. We're going to beat this level. I guarantee there will not be an ad. And if there is, well, then the government has gotten into my iPad and somehow given me free cellular data because my iPad's not a fancy iPad with cellular data. I just lost the game. And that, folks, is why I'm not a gaming channel. All right, let's try again. You're kidding me. My Wi-Fi is turned off. Ads. By the way, this isn't going to make me want to download their ad. Or download their app through their ad, right? This isn't going to work. Okay, now we... I don't want to download the app. See? Now we can play the game again. You know, mobile ads, please be cool. Don't suck like all of these. If it's going to be something that I want to download, make it like, put time and effort into like creating the video of the ad, and then maybe I'll buy it. Fun fact, I actually bought Flipper Dunk through an ad. Like, I was on Snapchat and I was watching a meme page and the thing was just showed up. But it was like a good advertisement. It actually showed what the game is, besides all these other ones where it's like, look at this, that draw climb, where it was like you draw the shape of the thing. I guarantee if you were to download that game, it would not be like that. It'd be like some other weird quirky thing where it's like trying to get you to do all this extra stuff. Anyways, that was my rant on mobile game ads. I don't know why I made this video. You know, it's Friday. I upload Fridays. Gotta do that. Keep on the upload grind. But yeah, I'll see you guys next Monday or Tuesday with another video. I'm still trying to figure out my upload schedule. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the coming couple days. Make sure you have a good weekend. In the link description, I'm still trying to raise $100 for diabetes with the merch. Up by GarrettPagel. 100% of everything I make off that website goes directly to people in need and stuff. Because, like, I'm a giving person, and I don't want to be some greedy person that's, like, chasing clout or whatever. But, yeah, make sure you go down the description, Patreon and stuff. Everything I've made off my channel so far, all $250-some, whatever it is, has been donated. I haven't kept a single bit of it. The only parts I've kept was when I did a brand deal with, U-Mic, which was my company that gave me the microphone equipment that I use. And I couldn't really give that away in any way. But, I mean, hey, I've got a whole box of mics. So, if you're like a small channel and you want like a really nice mic, like check this. These are all microphones. You want one? Just comment down below that you want one of these mics. I'll literally ship it out to you. But, yeah, 59-inch cord. They record in this high quality, up to 4K cameras capability and stuff. But, yeah, once again, thank you, Mike, for sponsoring with me and stuff. First sponsor, by the way. Rollick Games will be the second. The game I was actually playing is going to be a sponsorship deal and stuff. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for the support and stuff lately. Thanks for almost 1,200 subscribers. That'll probably happen this weekend. Yeah, super thankful for everything that's happened with my channel and stuff and everything lately. But, yeah, thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next video. See ya. Bye-bye.